guys, it is another day, and today is day 3, and it is 5:13. I was just in my bed, that's why it's a little late for me. Well, it's not that late to post a video, but it's no, I'm not even gonna say it was this late, but I'm in the bathroom. I've been in bed and just been thinking about, dang, what am I gonna do for my next video? My boyfriend's asleep. I don't know if I wanna blast music while he's in there asleep and do like a little prank, another prank on him, but I think I don't know, I'm gonna look up something to figure out a prank or something that I need to do, cause I wanna do another prank on him. He's in a room asleep right now, but I really don't know. Should I? Let me look up something to do. Prank. Give me 1 second. I got a prank that I can do on him, but if I turn the TV on, I think he's gonna know. So let's go find out and see. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Hold on. Oops. Dang. Never mind. But how did I do it the first time? I got it. Okay, yeah, my bad. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I had to come back in here to get my camera stick so my camera could be able to stand. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to do the prank on him, because he's all in the room, moving around, turning, and I'm just like, dang. And then I was like, I don't think this is gonna work, but alright, let me sit you down. I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try again to see, so BRB. Let me see. Let me go see if he's still in there sleeping. BRB.
Who is it? Oh shit, bro. You do too much, bro.
I hate this thing. You guys, I'm back. I don't know what is wrong with this tripod. It stands when it wants to, and then sometimes it doesn't stand. But I didn't think that go as I planned it to be. I think that prank went wrong. I think it went wrong. He really thought somebody was knocking at the door. But that was a fail. Again. It was a fail again. Why when I try to do a prank or something, it doesn't go right? Like literally. Why when I try to do a prank, it doesn't go right? Last time I did a prank on him, my last video, last video. Oh, ain't no light over here. But it didn't go right. It didn't go right like I thought it was. Then he kept on moving, so I was like, dang, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. But what time is it? It is 5:51. 5:51. That was a fail. Man, that was a fail. Man. But yeah, I just been laying in bed all day, and I was just like thinking, like, dang, I'm really letting time go by a little bit, because I'm just like thinking, like, what should I do? What should I do? What video should I do? And I came up with this. That prank that I just did. And it didn't go like I wanted it to go. So he was like, you do too much. He was like, you do too much. And I was just like, dang. I was like, this is gonna die. It was a fail. It was a fail. It was a fail. But I'm gonna come back with another prank video, you guys. I'm gonna think of another video to do. I'm gonna think of something else. He looked at the TV and he looked at the TV and he was like, this is the TV. I can't believe he really thought somebody was knocking at the door. Dang. But I did that to say it's time for you to get up anyway. It's 6. Get up. But yeah, y'all, what y'all been up to? I'm thirsty. Let me go get something to drink, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. But yeah, that that was a fail. That prank was like an epic fail. I know what prank I'm doing on him next. I know what prank I'm doing on him. Then again, I might not do it because yeah, I might not do it on him next. But you guys, alright, me. But you guys, this was kind of like a short. Wait, give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. But yeah. Ooh, I got one I'ma do on him. I got one that I'ma do on him. I have one that I'ma do on him in the next video. In the next video. Yep, I got one. I'm not gonna tell y'all, but I got one. I've been wanting to do this prank for a while too, and I haven't done it. So, yeah, he's always talking about some. You need to start doing pranks. And stuff like that because you be playing, and I think that was kind of like a prank, or then it kind of wasn't, but yeah, when y'all see it, y'all just gonna see it, but yeah. I came back and did another little video, another little prank on him, but I don't think he's too happy about that. I don't think he's too happy, but I'm gonna get better at him. I'm gonna get better at them. But right now, I'm kind of slacking because I haven't been doing them. I haven't been doing them. I need a thumbnail. Hold on. I need a thumbnail, y'all. Smile. Get that bag in the camera. Let me move this back. Oops. Okay. Smile. Say cheese. Wait. Smile. Okay. I'll use that for my thumbnail. There's too much stuff going on in the background. I can't use that. Watch this. I wonder if I can do this. Smile. Wonder how that look. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Then, y'all, I really can't believe I Alright, y'all, my camera's gonna die, so I'll catch y'all in the next video. Goodbye.